the dim light of my study, with the night creeping slow, I ponder on the risks where the hidden dangers flow. A project's like a mystery, with twists at every turn. In the shadows of the unknown, there's so much to learn. Risks lurking in the silence, waiting to take control. But I'm drafting my plans, playing the detective's role. With every piece of evidence, I plot my next move. In this game of chance, I've got something to prove. Technological whispers, organizational cries, instructional shadows, financial ties that bind. Each risk a story, a lesson in disguise. Seeking out the truth beneath the moonlit sky. Risks lurking in the silence, waiting to take control. But I'm mapping out the hazards in my leading role. With a strategy in hand and a keen eye for the clue. In the noir of learning design, I'll see this project through. Contingency plans in my pocket, mitigation up my sleeve against the backdrop of uncertainty. In what I believe, the stakes are high in this design noir tale. But with risk management, I shall prevail. So here's to the risks and the plans we devise in the shadowy world of learning under the starlit skies. For in the heart of the night, with risks far and near, I navigate the darkness without fear.